Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa. I'm going to show you what I got as gifts on my wedding day. So hii ni keto. Hey, acha tuanze na hii. I love this so much. I can't tell you how I loved this. This is beautiful, guys. You touch it. Can I call it a touch? Sijui hata nitaita aje. And don't mind my background, my dear. Hey, my friends, don't mind my background. Everything was everywhere. I don't know, I just moved in, but I wanted just to do this video. And this is a ball, I don't know, and it has utoto vitu tudogo and sijui wanatuitaje, but you can put sauce in them, like currently, because I'm using them already, I'm using this as a salad bowl. Mnaelewa? Nawekanga salad, and hizo vitu vizingine you can put it mayo or chili, something like that. And look at this, guys. Oh my god, they gave me a stand mixer. A stand mixer from Mika, and it's a good one. I haven't used it yet, but I loved it, and the fact that it's white, hey, I loved it so much. Yeah, and look at this, hey, you know those fancy dinners, you go and sit and you look like, oh, I have money. Hey, while I'm eating with this, I feel like, oh, I'm a boss, my dears. I feel like a boss, and I'm loving them. They are heavy, good quality, I can't tell you. And most of these things were gifted from my church. Yes, my husband's church. So as a Burundian, I'm just surprised. Hizo ni glasses, you know them. So I was saying, na hizi ni vikombe za chai. So I was saying, as a Burundian, we are not used to get so many gifts like this. I know Kenyans, you'll be like, oh, hata ni ndogo, but for us, we are not used. We are not used like to get these things. Kwetu wanapatianga envelopes zenye zinakuanga na mia na so. Anyway, look at these things. Oh my god. You know, let me tell you something. This is heavy. Those plates were heavy. I loved this dinner set. It's a good quality one. I'm so grateful. Hey, I enjoyed these things. Yeah, and another keto. Let me tell you guys, this is a 2-liter something. It's a big one. Though they stored it for me. Okay. It's a long story. Anyway, but I loved it. It's big, and you can go and purchase it. Yeah, go. Yeah, and don't mind my background, guys. Don't mind my background. Vitu vizuri zinakuja haki. This is my first video, but haki msisirike. And this is a cup. I loved it. Is this a cup? And this juice, whatever, I don't know how to call it, but I love it. It's black, and wow, I loved it. And another dinner set, my people. And let me tell you, I was watching the TV, and there is a show in America. I saw these plates, and I was like, wow. Okay, I think they are from America. You guys, I think they are from America. I wish you could see the quality of this. They are so heavy. I can't tell you, they are the best dinner set I ever seen. Hey, they are good. I'm blessed. Na hizi ni zile nini hata sijui wanazitaje. Just write their names in the comment section. I love this one. Hey, look at the flowers. Hey, I'm a vintage girl, so you know what I mean. Hey, Aki, I hope you're enjoying the video. I even like that one. It's a big one. Yeah. And this was what? Anyway, I think the people who gave me gifts knew that I wanted some of these things, but I wish they could write for me that you can use this to bake. You know what I mean? If they are oven friendly, or so they are just gifts and I don't know what to use it for. Okay, I know what to use it for, but I don't know if I can put them in the oven. And this is a jar. Unaona juice huko. And look at this thing, my friends. I loved this. You know, ukiweka huko nyama. Hey. Anyway, acha niache kuwasumbua tu. And they gave me this dira. How do they call it? It's this, and you know what I mean. Yeah, and I love the colors. Yes. Yeah. Okay, they are just good. And this is another package. I got sandals. Hope that's the name. Yes. Stay with me. Yeah, because I have more. And this is other sandals, and I love them. I loved everything I got. Hey, let me tell you guys, and this is another set. By the way, I had this. Okay, I didn't, but my boyfriend had them. Okay, that's what I meant. So, but I don't mind having a lot of them. Yeah, and here, hey, Aki, these people knew that I was baking. I do baking, so they gave me these things in the pan with a reed. Yeah. Hey, that's the beautiful thing. Yeah. And hiyo kata sijatumia, but I hope I'll use it. Yeah. And is more things for baking. Hey, by the way, I don't know what to use this for because it's small. It can't fit the cupcakes that need for cupcakes, but I love them. Maybe I will put cookies. And walitumia matrons, cake matrons ku-explain hizo vitu. Yeah. Maybe one day if I will drop the video, you will see the video for my wedding. But I love them. Yeah. And here comes my Shiko, the one and only. Musinunue hizo vitu, musinunue hizo towels. Maybe I took bad quality. And the shuka, guys, go for bed sheets. Kwa Shiko, they are quality. And this thing, hata sahi tukiongea, I think hizo vitu zimeraruka, so I can't advise you guys to buy these things. Hiyo kitu msinunue, but the bed sheets are nice. I bought this at Love Mart. These were for my dad. Hizo gloves na hizi vitu, please go buy them at Love Mart. They are nice. Hizo za kupanguza vitu sijui. Na hii msinunue. I'm going to plant flowers in this. Hey, hiyo black yote imetoka. I have been eating hizo black things. I don't know how to explain it. The razors are good. I remained with one and I gave out the rest, but they are so good. And easy containers, go buy them, guys. They are nice. yeah, I bought 2 sets and I'm loving them. Yes. And ututu vitu guys. Oh, I wish I'll go back for them, only for them. So msinunue. And thank you guys for watching my video. Yes, like, share and subscribe. See you.